Hi, my name is Dr. Alizadeh, and I'm the founder of Mission Restore. I want to share with you the story of Mission Restore that started back in 1993 when I was a medical student at Cornell and I had the opportunity to go and do some research in the Afghan refugee camps. What I came back with was this sense of gratitude, of knowing that we can provide care as doctors, but also some anxiety, understanding that when we return from our work, there's really no one there to pick up our pieces. And so Mission Restore was born with a group of like-minded physicians with the belief that we can create long-lasting, sustainable healthcare in the communities that we serve. Our focus is on education. We like to go to communities where there's a huge disparity between the doctors and nurses and the local communities. One such community would be Tanzania in East Africa, where you have 45 million population with only a handful of surgeons that are trained to provide the care. So we want to be able to create a momentum of young surgeons that are recruited within their local communities around the world, are well-trained and well supported by us through our network, and then even funded to be able to go and get the higher level of training so they can go back and provide that care within their own community. At Mission Restore, we believe that everyone deserves a high quality of care, regardless of their circumstance. And so we depend on the support of donors just like you to help us keep this going. Your contribution helps us reach more doctors for their training, more patients for their life-changing surgeries, and more communities where they have not had this level of care in the past. I hope you will join us in our mission to help a healthier, more resilient future for those that we serve around the world. Thank you.